Assalamualaikum dosto. Welcome back to another quick video about Bitcoin update. I thought like I'll come online and give you a quick update about Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently 91,400 के करीब ट्रेड हो रहा है. Yesterday जब ये कैंडल क्लोज हो रही थी तब मैंने आपको बता दिया था कि अगर ये लेवल ब्रेक होता है, ये वाला लेवल, तो मार्केट इज गोना गो डाउन और ये वाला लेवल तक टेस्ट हो सकता है, which is exactly what happened. In fact, market went down और liquidity grab है this week. Just represent the liquidity grab. We are on 4 hour time frame, so this candle hasn't been close yet. तो ये वाली कैंडल अभी क्लोज नहीं है. If I were to switch to daily time frame, this would kind of give you an idea कि ये support possibly intact हो सकती है. उसके लिए we have to wait for another 7 hours almost जब तक हमारे पास confirmation आएगी. So this is a liquidity grab and nothing else. So far seems like ये वाली support जो है still intact है, because by the time the candle closed that would give us the confirmation कि market किस तरफ exactly जा रही है. मैंने yesterday आपको बता दिया था the main reason why market is down is because of S&P 500. जब S&P 500 में ये विक्स लग रही थी मार्केट में और yesterday was this much, तो I already told you on Friday जब ये वाली विक लगी थी कि market is bearish. So be careful, be cautious. और ये पैटर्न जो राइजिंग वेज था because of that, उसकी वजह से मार्केट ने नीचे जाना था. और ये जो ट्रिपल बॉटम बना था, इफ़ आई वर टू गो डाउन टू 4 आवर विंडो, तो हमारा यहाँ ब्रेक डाउन ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है. लेकिन कंफर्मेशन के लिए वी हैव टू वेट ताकि हमारे पास कंफर्मेशन आ जाए. मार्केट इज गोना बी बेरिश, विच मीन्स so many buying opportunity for you guys. If I were you, I'm going to tell you very few quick trades. Buy Ethereum right now. This is the perfect spot for you to buy Ethereum. Buy a couple of other coins if you have any funds. Let's suppose अगर आपके पास $1,000 है तो invest at least $200 on 5 different coins such as Ethereum, Tau. I might look into buying Link Chainlink, or I'm gonna look into buy some of the AI agents as well, such as just okay, I would suggest, for example, let's say Solana, which is not an AI agent, but that's something you can buy. Good buying opportunity. Yeah. I'm gonna also recommend you to buy, for example, AI. May I would recommend you to buy a Virtual, which is a good coin. FAT, good coin. Gala, so many good coins, so many buying opportunities for you guys. Spot में लेके hold कर दें and don't worry about the targets. That's something you can look into that after end of March, and your money is gonna be more than double. Trust me. So if you wanted to go ahead with those trades, totally up to you. I just wanted to came online and give you a couple of suggestions. Coming back to the BTC, so BTC is currently bearish at the moment. और अगर हम liquidation side पे देखें, which is very important for us to look into the liquidation market में currently $729 million liquidate हुए हैं, and these are some of the craziest number, mainly long. 618 million, as you can see, this is the real time liquidation target जो कि very active है, very volatile है. Most of the people are getting liquidated क्योंकि all they do is just open up a short without knowing market किस तरफ जा रही है और किस direction में जा रही है. Coming back to liquidation data, so see downside की मैंने आपको yesterday बता दिया था, there was liquidity up until 90,000 और market ने इसका load already लगा चुका है. तो this liquidity is gone. Up next up, these guys would get liquidated because what happened is just tomorrow, in fact, tomorrow हमारे पास economic news आनी है about PPI and core CPI. I think one of the data is tomorrow. The other data is coming out on Friday as well. जो कि if I were to tell you based on my understanding is gonna be um, slightly वो ओवर अचीव करेगा and it could create a bullish news जिसकी वजह से मार्केट पम्प करेगी. So it's gonna be market is gonna go up, right? Market is not gonna go down. So see, right, market उसी support areas को hit कर रही है. जब तक ये वाला हमारा level support है, we're not gonna revisit any of these area. लेकिन let me tell you, अगर ये क्लोजिंग इससे नीचे होती है, in fact इस 89,000 के करीब करीब हमारे पास डे टाइम क्लोजिंग होती है, तो then next target I'm gonna share it with you guys. Let me quickly get rid of some of the pointers and I'm gonna open up my chart. So let me give you exactly हमारा next target होगा would be 87,119, providing हमारी daily closing इस level पे होती है. Another target would be this guy as well, क्योंकि the minute market इन targets के करीब भाई इस area पे और हमारी closing इन area से नीचे हुई, So in the next day or two, we can see the market could go down to this level. Eventually, यहाँ एक wick लग सकती है to fill the CME gap. But like I said, I don't see it happening, providing अगर ये candle daily candle की close की confirmation is very important for us. अगर ये candle इस support line से ऊपर close होती है, we are safe. Market is gonna go up, and these levels would be intact. These would be my targets, which is what I would recommend कि पहला टारगेट होगा इज दिस गाय, क्योंकि इस कैंडल की क्लोजिंग जो हुई है वो यहाँ हुई है. सो माय फर्स्ट टारगेट, प्रोवाइडिंग कि यहाँ पे मार्केट इस लेवल से ऊपर क्लोज होती है, सो दिस वुड बी माय वेरी फर्स्ट टारगेट, and these would be my TP2, TP3, TP4, and TP5 as well, right? So these are my targets. I thought like I'll come online, give you guys a very quick update on Bitcoin. अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, I would recommend you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ताकि मैं भी जो भी आपके साथ अपडेट दे सकूँ, that would get to you on timely. And so far our prediction has been 100% accurate. अगर आपको यकीन नहीं है तो go and look into from video 1, जब हमने December 2024 से ये वीडियो बनाना शुरू की थी, चैनल क्रिएट किया था, our prediction has been, our target has been 100% accurate. So this is what I'm hoping for. And as you can see, market is going up. So yeah, like I said, market is going to be bullish. Don't worry about this panic जो hysteria create हो रहा है. Go ahead and buy these coins in spot, and trust me, you would be surprised कि ये जो पैसे हैं आपके is gonna be double up in no time. So I hope to see you in the next video.